my love, from the moment our souls intertwined, I knew you were the one my heart had been searching for. Every heartbeat of mine spears your name, and every breath I take is a promise to cherish you for eternity. There is no doubt in my mind our love is real, unshakable, and forever. When I look into your eyes, I see my future, my home, and my greatest blessing. No matter how far life may take us, no matter the storms we may face, I will always hold your hand, never letting go. You are my safe haven, my peace, and my greatest joy. My love for you is not just in words, it is in my actions, my sacrifices, and my every intention. I have chosen you not just for today but for every tomorrow. There is no hesitation, no second guessing, because my heart beats only for you. I want you to know that my love is not fragile, it is strong, unwavering, and eternal. I will be your protector when the world feels heavy, your locator when days feel long, and your comfort when you need to rest your soul. Every moment I spend with you reminds me of why I feel in love with you. It is not just your beauty, thought, you are breathtaking. It is your heart, your kindness, your strength, and the way you make even the simplest moments feel magical. I vow to be the man who never makes you question where you stand in my life. You are my priority, my greatest treasure, my everything. I will love you with a love so deep that even time itself will stand in awe of it. There will be days when life tests us, when challenges arise, but I promise you we will face them together. I will never walk away, never let distance or difficulties weaken our bond. We are stronger than any trial because our love is built on truth, trust, and destiny. You are the dream I never want to wake up from the answer to every prayer I have whispered. God placed you in my life not just as a partner but as my missing piece. With you, I am whole, I am complete, I am home. I long for the day when I will wake up beside you every morning, when our days will begin and end with the warmth of our love. Until then, now that my heart is always with you, beating in rhythm with your longing for our forever. If ever you have doubts, if ever fear tries to creep in, remember this: there is no one else, there is only you. You are my first thought in the morning, my last prayer at night, and every dream in between. I will honor you, respect you, and cherish you beyond words. You are not just my love, you are my queen, my partner, and the most beautiful soul I have ever known. My love for you will never fade, never loosen, but only grow stronger with each passing day. I want to be the reason you smile even on the hardest days. I want to be the man who stands beside you through every joy, every tear, every triumph, and every trial. I am here and I will always will be. My love. Never question how much I need you. You are my strength, my greatest motivation, and the reason I strive to be a better man every day. Loving you is the greatest gift I have been given, and I will never take it for granted. I love you with a love so pure, so deep, and so powerful that no distance, no hardship, and no force in this world can shake it. You are my forever, my greatest blessing, and the one I will love for all my days. So, my love, rest easy knowing that you are deeply cherished, adored, and irreplaceable. No matter what life brings, one truth will always remain: I am yours completely, eternally, and without a single doubt. Thanks for watching video.